Do you ever wonder why your resin colors mix together instead of separate? Today we're going to go through that. You always hear yellow and blue make green, so I'm going to use mustard yellow and azura blue for my candy pigments. I'll have links to all this stuff below, so I'm going to divvy all this stuff up. I'm going to use ALUMILITE Clear Slow. Your resin that you use may be different, so go towards the end of the working time and then start from there and then start taking temperatures. I mix part A and part B. I've been mixing for about a minute now. I'm going to get a couple minutes in of mixing and make sure I know it's good. I already have the yellow and blue mixed into these. Two of these I'm going to pour cold, and the other two I'm going to pour at a certain temperature, and we'll be able to see the difference at the end. It's almost 6 minutes, and these are about 80 degrees right now. I have the mica powder mixed in to where it's not clumpy, I hope. 80 degrees. Here we go. I'm going to pour these as nicely as I can. Yellow and blue make green, so we're going to put the green one over here. And we're going to just try to pour nicely. We're not trying to get it to do it, I'm just making a point here. I'll go ahead and pour that nicely. And I'm gonna just give it a couple stirs, a couple mixes. I'm going to do the same to the other ones. So, into the pressure pot. Same thing here. We're a little over 12 minutes. I'm going to pour these. These are at 103, 105 degrees, somewhere around there. So I'm going to pour these nicely like I did the other ones. Go about half. Pour this whole thing in here. And then pour that. And I'm going to swirl it around just like I did the other ones. Pressure pot time. Go ahead and demold these and we'll see how good a color separation we have. Here they are. There's an obvious difference between these two. I'm going to let these sit for about a day. I'm going to cut them up and then we'll see what the insides look like so we can see what kind of color separation went on. So we'll see you tomorrow. I only waited a couple hours to cut these. This is ALUMILITE Clear Slow. Other resins or epoxies are going to be different temperatures, and I'll do some videos on that later. These that I poured at 105 are so much more swirly than these. These are just bland and kind of just ran together. And the bigger example is going to be the clear. I've done these before. I put clear and I just put a solid color in there. And these ones on the right side are at 105 with ALUMILITE Clear Slow, and these ones that are at about 80 degrees. So that's the trick on keeping your colors separated. If you got anything out of this video, then give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we do a live show every Saturday, so come and see us. We'll see y'all next time, and y'all be good.